Good morning students, this is Sneha, your mathematics teacher. So today we are going to study about the interesting topic, that is percentage. So what is the meaning of percentage? Why is it used? So today we will discuss it. So percentage is a regular saying word in all the marketplaces, in the schools, in the universities, right? In the marketplaces, like it is written that save 20% or 40% discount. Then what does that percentage means? We will discuss this. So what first, the meaning of the word. So percent is the word that is comes from the Latin word per centum, means per 100. So percent means out of 100. So we represent the percentage by the symbol this. So this is the symbol which is used to represent percentage. Let us look at one example. For example, 5%. Now what does it means? So we will go by the definition. Percentage is the sign. So it means 5 out of 100, because the percentage sign means per 100, that is out of 100. 5% means 5 out of 100, so we can represent it as 5 by 100. 5 out of 100. Let us look at one more example. For example, Ruhi scored 92% marks in mathematics. Now what does this statement implies? So this statement implies that Ruhi scored 92 marks out of 100 marks. Why I have written 100? Because this percentage sign implies per 100. Ruhi scored 92 out of 100 marks in mathematics. Okay, so this is the meaning of the word percent, or the examples are as follows. So students, now you are familiar with the word percentage. Now we will look at the conversions. So first look at the two conversions, that is the conversion of a fraction to percentage, and the second, conversion of decimals to the percentage. So first look at conversion of fraction to a percentage. So a fraction having denominator 100. For example, look at the fraction 20 by 100. This is the fraction having 100 as the denominator. This can be expressed as percentage by just putting the percentage sign with the numerator. What is the numerator? 20. So 20 by 100 can be represented as percent as 20%. Let us look at one more example. For example, 40 by 100. You have to convert this fraction into percentage. So go by the rule. If the denominator is 100, just write down percentage sign with the numerator. What is numerator? 40. Now what about the fraction which don't have the denominator 100? How we will convert them into percentage? So to convert a fraction to a percentage, first convert that fraction into another equivalent fraction with denominator 100. Means 3 by 4 is the fraction. Convert it into an equivalent fraction with the denominator 100. So multiply and divide by the 100, or what you can say that multiply the fraction with the 100 and just put the percentage sign with the result. Now cancel out the common factor if you can. So this can be cancelled out. 4, 25 and 25 3s are 75%. That is 3 by 4 can be expressed as the percentage, that is 75%. Let us look at one more example. For example, 2 by 3. You have to convert this fraction into percent. So go by the rule. What you have to do, just multiply the fraction with the 100 and put the percentage sign with the result. So 2 by 3 multiply by 100, that is 200 by 3%. Now if you want to convert this into mixed, then you can convert it. Otherwise we have converted 2 by 3 fraction into the percentage. So the rule is simple. When denominator is 100 of the fraction, just write down the percentage sign with the numerator. When the denominator is other than 100, then just multiply the fraction with the 100 and write down percentage sign. Now let us look at conversion of decimals to a percentage. So if you have to convert a decimal to a percentage, one thing you can do is convert the decimal into the fraction. Convert the decimal into the fraction, then convert that fraction into percentage. We have already see this conversion here, right? And we also know how to convert the decimal into fractions. So this is very easy. So look at the example. For example, if you have to convert 0.43 into percentage. So what is the first step? Convert decimal into fraction. So write down it in the form of the fraction. So it will be 43 by 100. Now convert that fraction into percentage. Now since the denominator is 100, so rule is simple. Write down the percentage sign with the numerator. That is, it will be 43%. Let us look at one more example. That is one more decimal number. For example, 0.005. So go to the first step, convert decimal into fraction. So when we convert it into, it will be like 5 by 1000. Now the denominator is other than 100. So we will go by the rule, that is multiply that fraction with the 100 and write down percentage sign with the answer. So you can see that you can cancel out the common factor. So it will be 5 by 10 percentage, that is 0.5%. So the summary is that if you have to convert decimal into percentage or a fraction into percentage, just multiply it with the 100 and write down percentage sign with the answer. So this is the conversion. Now let us look at one more conversion, that is conversion of percentage into fraction or conversion of percentage into decimals. So here it is. Converting percentage to fractions over the decimals. So to convert percentage to a fraction, remove the percentage sign. Remove the percentage sign and divide it by 100. Remember that, beta. When we are converting fraction or decimals into 100, we are multiplying by the 100 and writing down percentage sign. But when we are doing the opposite process, that is percentage into fractions or decimal, we will remove the percentage sign and divide it by 100. In that we were multiplying that, but in that we will divide it. Let us look at one example. For example, 30%. You have to convert this percentage into fraction. So remove the percentage sign. I have just removed the percentage sign. Divide it by 100. Divide it by 100. Now if you want to write down in simplest form, cancel out the common factor, it will be 3 by 10. So you have represented 30% as the fraction form 3 by 10. Now if you want to represent in the decimal form, then just represent it. 3 by 10 is 0.3. So this is the decimal form. So this is the way how we will convert a percentage into fractions or decimal. Rule is simple. Remove the percentage sign and divide by 100. And in this, multiply by 100 and write down percentage sign. I hope these conversions are clear to you. So practice the questions to convert one fraction to percentage or decimals to percentage. Thank you very much.